Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
And at morning session, are you present? Annette, morning session, are you there?
No, ma'am, the class. Yes, ma'am. I know, ma'am, I was not there.
You're not there. What happened?
I missed it.
Again, Anila, Mohanan, and Femina are absent. Okay, children, I think we can start. The morning session, we discussed some problems based on finding the degree and order of a differential equation. Finding the order and degree of a differential equation. Okay, go through it. What is a differential equation, Karthik? Define what is a differential equation.
It is an equation involving derivatives of dependent variables with respect to only one independent variable.
Okay. Differential equation means it is an equation involving constants, variables, along with the differential coefficients. Okay, it is an equation involving constants, variables, along with the differential coefficients. Okay, what is meant by order? Aditya, Satyan, what is meant by order of a differential equation? Aditya, what is the order of a differential equation? What is meant by order of a differential equation? Yes, Aishwarya.
What is the value of the highest derivative?
It is the order of the highest derivative present in that equation, isn't it? It is the order of the highest derivative present in the equation. What about degree, Aparna?
Ma'am, it is the power of the highest order derivative.
Okay, write down this question and find out what is the order and what is the degree. What is the order and what is the degree? Find out. Can give 2 or 3 problems. Find out what is the order and what is the degree. Is it over? Aparna? Tomlin, is it over? Finished all the three questions? The second one. Okay, do it, do it. Is it over, children? Karthik? Aparna, you finished?
Ma'am, I'm doing the last one.
Last one. Tomlin, which one you are doing? Last. Yes, yes, children, time up. Okay, this much time is not needed for solving this. They're asked to find the order and degree, isn't it? Now, look at the first equation. What is the order and what is the degree? Tell me, children. What is the order of the differential equation? Karthik? First one, what is the order?
I
and
have
what is-
two.
Order
2 is
is
the order.
order is 2. Okay. And what is the degree?
2.
Degree is it 2. What is meant by degree? Power of the highest order derivative. What is the highest order derivative present here?
Sorry, ma'am. 1.
Hmm. Degree is 1. Okay. Tomlin. Or the second one.
Ma'am, order is 2.
Hmm. Order is 2.
It's also 2.
And what is the degree?
2.
Degree is 2. How you are getting this 2?
Ma'am, root 3 square.
Very good. We are squaring, isn't it? Look at here. Within the function, we have differential coefficients. Whenever we get root within the root or within the sign and all, we have to try to remove it. If we are able to remove it, then we can say what is the order, what is the degree. Here, we can remove the root by squaring on both the sides. When you square on both the sides, root and square will get cancelled. So you'll get order is 2 and degree is also 2. Now, Aparna, what about the third question? What is the order and what is the degree? Aparna, is there? No. Okay, Aishwarya,
Order is 2, degree not defined.
okay, good. Order is 2 and degree is not defined. Order is 2 and degree is not defined. Okay? Okay, children? So now we have understood what is meant by differential equation, what is the order, and what is the degree. Now suppose you are given a differential equation. We know that for every equation we can find a solution. Okay, next is what is meant by a solution of a differential equation. That's what we are going to learn. What is meant by solution of a differential equation. Okay, so first let us recall what is meant by solution of the equation. Suppose you are given an equation like this. Suppose you are given x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Check whether x is equal to 1 is a solution. Similarly, check whether x is equal to 2 is a solution or not. Check it. Check whether x is equal to 1 is a solution or not. Similarly, you check whether x is equal to 2 is a solution or not. Whether x is equal to 1 is a solution or not. How will you check? Is it a solution or not? You put x is equal to s. You put x is equal to 1. So when you put x is equal to 1, what you will get? When x is 1, it is 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 6, isn't it? Is it a solution?
No.
No. Okay, this is equal to 2, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1, it's not a solution. Okay, when you substitute the value x is equal to 1, it is not satisfied by the equation. Isn't it? It is not satisfying. What is meant by satisfying? We should get LHS equal to RHS. Then we say it is satisfying. Here LHS we are getting 2, RHS we are getting 0. So 2 is equal to 0 is not possible. Therefore, it is not at all a solution. Now take the next case. X is equal to 2. Is it a solution?
Yes.
Yes. When you substitute 2 here, 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. Is it 0? So 4 minus 10 plus 6 is 0. Yes. So we are getting 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is the solution. For x is equal to 2 is a solution. Okay. So now, likewise, here, when a differential equation is given, we can check, okay, whether the given function is a solution or not. Instead of number and all, a function is said to be a solution. A function is said to be a solution of the differential equation if it satisfies that equation. If it satisfies, then it is a solution. Otherwise, it is not a solution. Write the definition. Solution of a differential equation. Solution of a differential equation. Solution of a differential equation. Solution of a differential equation is a function. Solution of a differential equation is a function in the variables involved. Is a function in the variables involved in the differential equation. In the variables involved in the differential equation which satisfies the given equation. Which satisfies the given equation. Which satisfies the given equation. Okay, it is a solution involved in the differential equation which satisfies the given equation. Which satisfies the given equation. Okay, write down this one. Write down. Show that, write the problem. Show that y is equal to, show that y is equal to ax plus b by x with x not equal to 0. With x not equal to 0 is a solution of, with x not equal to 0 is a solution of the differential equation, is a solution of the differential equation, is a solution of the differential equation x square b square y by dx square, x square b square y by dx square plus x dy by dx plus x dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. X square b square y by dx square plus x dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. minus y is equal to 0. We have to check whether it is a solution or not. So listen children, keep your pen down, sit straight. Listen here. Yes, all of you listen. So we have to check whether y is equal to ax plus b by x is a solution or not. So we have to check is this a solution or not. What do you have to do? We have to substitute this one for y. Isn't it? We have to substitute this in the equation. In the differential equation, we have to substitute. So for y, it is given. But look at the equation we have given here. We need dy by dx and d square y by dx square. Y is given. From here, we have to find what is dy by dx and what is d square y by dx square. Is it okay? Y is given. Look at the equation there. In the equation, we need, okay, look at the equation, x square, d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx minus y is 0. So y is given. But we don't know what is dy by dx, d square y by dx square. So these two things we have to find it from the given y. Substitute it from the y, find out it from the y and substitute it in the differential equation. Okay. So y is given. From here, find out what is dy by dx. Similarly, find out what is d square y by dx square. Find dy by dx, d square y by dx square. So d square y by dx square means second order differentiation. You have to differentiate 2 times second order derivative. Try this one. Find out what is dy by dx, then find out d square y by dx square. So what is dy by dx here? Yes, what is dy by dx? A
A minus b by
Ah.
x square.
minus, yes, b is constant, derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So we can write this as a minus b by x square. What about the second order derivative? Second order derivative. A, if you differentiate, it is 0 minus b into, what is derivative of 1 by x square? We can write this as a minus b into x raised to minus 2. So what's the derivative of x raised to minus 2?
Minus 2x.
Minus 2x. No, Aishwarya, check it. X raised to minus 2 minus. Yes. Can you repeat the answer once again, Aishwarya? Try it. Yes, Aishwarya.
Isn't it minus 2x?
What is the formula we have learned for derivative? N x raised to n minus 1. Isn't it? Here, look at the power. Power is minus 2. So check it.
Minus 2x raised to minus 3.
Minus 2x raised to minus 3. So it is minus of minus plus 2b by x cube. Is it correct, Tomlin? Okay, if it is x square, 2x is correct, Aishwarya. Okay, if it is x square, the power is negative here. Okay, so when you reduce it, the power will be going on reducing. When you differentiate, the power will be getting reduced. Is it okay, Annette? So once you find this dy by, yes, Annette? Which one? Is it okay, Annette?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm not able to hear what you're saying. The voice is breaking. What she's saying, Aishwarya? Okay, now listen, children. Now we have what is y. We have what is dy by dx. Okay, we have what is dy by dx, and we have what is d square y by dx square. Substitute this in the differential equation and check whether LHS is equal to RHS. So what is the differential equation? So what is the differential equation we have here? X square b square y by dx square plus x dy by dx minus y is equal to x square into, what is b square y by dx square? 2b by x cube plus x into dy by dx. It is a minus dx minus y. What is y? Ax plus b by x. Ax plus b by x. Now open the brackets. So here x square and this one will get cancelled. Therefore, you will get 2b by x plus ax minus bx square minus ax minus something a by bx square, isn't it? Bx raised to minus 2. Bx raised to minus 2. Check it, children.
And b minus b x raised to minus 1. We multiply by x.
Some mistake here. Okay, let me check here. I can't see this. It is x square. B square y by dx square is 2b by x cube plus x into, what is dy by dx? A minus B by x square. Is it correct, Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus y. What is y? Ax plus b by x. So when you cut this, so you'll get 2b by x plus ax minus b by x minus ax minus b by x. So plus ax minus ax will get cancelled. B by x, this also will get cancelled. So the answer will be 0. Is it satisfying? Yes, it is satisfying. Therefore, it is a solution. If it is not satisfying, then we can say it is not at all a solution. If it is satisfying, then we can say it is a solution. Otherwise, it is not a solution. Is it over? Tomlin, is it clear? Is it okay, Tomlin? Tomlin is not there. Okay. Aparna, Anach, Aditya. Is it okay, Anach? Aparna?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, the next one, similar question. Okay, whenever you are asked to check is it a solution means substitute in the equation and check whether it is satisfying or not. Okay, write the question. Show that y is equal to b e raised to x plus c e raised to 2x. Show that y is equal to b e raised to x plus c e raised to 2x is a solution of the differential equation is a solution of the differential equation d square y by dx square minus 3 dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 0. Show that y is equal to b e raised to x plus c e raised to 2x is the solution of the differential equation d square y by dx square minus 3 dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 0. So what is y? You write it. Look at the question. We need second order derivative and third order derivative. Sorry, second order and first order derivative. So find out what is dy by dx. Find d square y by dx square. Try this. Find the first order derivative. Find the second order derivative and substitute this in the given equation, given differential equation, and check whether it is satisfying or not.
And will the first and second order derivative be the same in this case?
No. How we are with, what is the first order derivative here? Yes, tell me what is the first order?
B into e raised to x
Hmm.
plus
Hmm.
c into 2x e raised to 2x.
Yeah. Into 2. What is the coefficient of x here? Is it 2? That one you have to write there, into 2. And what is d square y by dx square? D square y by dx square. This b e raised to x. 2c is constant. If you differentiate e raised to 2x, e raised to 2x into 2. Now are they same, Aishwarya? No. Okay. Derivatives, learn it well. Into y. Okay, substitute all these equations in the given equation and check whether it is satisfying. Substitute for y, dy by dx and d square y by dx square and check whether it is satisfying. So when you substitute in this equation, what is the equation here? Equation is d square y by dx square minus 3 dy by dx plus 2y is equal to, what is d square y by dx square? b e raised to x plus 4c e raised to 2x minus 3 into dy by dx b e raised to x plus 2c e raised to x plus 2y. What is y? b e raised to x plus c e raised to 2x. So that is, you open the brackets. b e raised to x plus 4c e raised to 2x minus 3b e raised to x minus 6c e raised to x plus 2b e raised to x plus c e raised to 2x. Now group the terms. Check here, plus b plus 2b minus 3b get cancelled. Here 2, I think 2 is common for the full term. So you'll get 2 into. So 4 plus 2 minus 6. You get 0. Therefore, it is a solution of the given differential equation. Therefore, it is a solution of the given differential equation. Okay. Is it clear, children? So, suppose what is meant by solution? Suppose you are given a function, we have to differentiate it as much time are given in the differential equation. Substitute there and check whether it is satisfying or not. If it is satisfying, then it is a solution. Otherwise, it is not at all a solution. Is it clear? So today we have learned what is meant by differential equation, what is order, what is degree. Okay, then when a function is given, we can check whether it is a solution or not. Is it clear, children? Is it clear what you have learned? Is it okay? In the tomorrow's class, you learn all the derivatives and integration formula what you have learned, because we need all the formula. Integration also we need and derivatives also we need. Learn it and okay. With this, I end today's session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Do these questions again and again as homework. Okay. Thank you.